In this video, we are going to talk about how you can do digital marketing for your app. So if you are someone who develops business apps and your business runs around your application for Android or iPhone, then this video is for you. So today in this video, we are going to talk about how you can promote your application, maybe on Android or maybe on Apple, how you can promote that online. Now, there is no doubt that it's a growing trend that people are shifting to mobile apps rather than website. So you definitely need a strategy to do digital marketing for your app as well. So in this video, we are going to cover a few points that you can take care to make your app visible online so that you can have more app installation on both the platforms. So let's start with the point number 1, and that is content on the App Store. Now, there is no doubt that no matter if it is an app or a website, content will always be king. So for promoting your app, then you need to make sure that on the App Store, maybe on the Play Store or on the Apple Store, your app got a very good description with screenshots and videos. So make sure you do everything to optimize the page of your application description so that people can know about your app before installing it. And above all, if you do it right and get the content right on the App Store itself, you will be getting a lot of benefit of SEO on that app platform. So make sure you have a good description of your app and all the things that are required to make it stand out from your competitors. Step number 2, website content. Now, app might be your primary focus, but in order to promote this, you should have a website as well, which will act as your brand. Along with that, it will also help you create some content which will help your viewers or your audience to know more about what your app can do. So in order to promote your app, you should create a website, and on that, try to put content which is more focused on how your application can help people rather than telling people how your app is working. So if you can solve people's question and problem using your app, then your content will definitely start ranking and people will start installing and using your application. Next comes the point choosing the right social media platform. Now consider an example that you have an app which deals with your stories or which deals with Instagram filters, and you are promoting this app on LinkedIn. So definitely it's a wrong choice of social media platform. You should mainly focus on Instagram, and then you can consider about Facebook as well. So it's very important that you do social media marketing, but it's very important to choose the right platform. Then comes the next point, that is influencer marketing. Now that can be used before even launching your app. You can give the demo or the beta version of your app to various influencers in your category and collect the feedback from them to finally launch your app. And again, you can use these influencers to promote your app online. Now, what exactly is this influencer marketing? You can check our video that we have already created about it. We will link that in the I button above and the video description below. Next point is app install ads. Now there are various platforms like Google and Facebook on which you can specifically create ad campaigns which will focus mainly on app installs. So you can go ahead and try that with your normal content marketing, or you can just solely focus on the paid ads. But it's very important that you consider the SEO and the other benefits of having website and a social media presence, and then you can run the ads in parallel with these strategies. So these are some of the points that you can take care to promote your app online. If you have any questions regarding app marketing or digital marketing in general, then feel free to let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.